I'll be showing you the last two My Little Pony the movie toys that I'll need for my McDonald's collection. I have Pinkie Pie and her mask. I have Rarity in her mask. I have Rainbow Dash in her mask. And now I have Princess Twilight Sparkle in her mask. Apparently there's no Applejack and Fluttershy in this collection. But in Asia, I think, they had a Fluttershy. So let's start by opening this Princess Twilight Sparkle mask. It's number 8, and these masks are perfect for Halloween. Plus, it's not over yet. So let's open this up like this. This mask comes with a little tiara, in which there's plastic around it, which I think I need to cut. So that's released, and now same for this one. So this is what the tiara looks like. It's a little bit glittery. I don't think you can tell on the camera. And here is a little star, which is Princess Twilight Sparkle's cutie mark, but apparently it's not painted pink. Here's the mask. I'll just cut this part. Here it is out of all the shrink wrap and stuff. And the whole mask is glittery. And here is her cutie mark, which is obviously pink. And here's her bangs. So you just can put this on your face. And here is your wings and her cutie mark. The same thing on each side. And she also came with this little disc, which has her picture. So now let's open Princess Twilight Sparkle's figurine. I already have opened this up, so I don't need to worry about cutting it or anything. So here is Princess Twilight Sparkle. This is what she looks like. She has a little curly tail. And she's kind of leaning to the side and her hoof is up. Her wings look nice, is nicely done, and if you can see, there's little details on it. And there's little pegs, and I'll show you what to do with those later. Here's the instructions, which I already know what to do, so yeah. By the way, it was toy number 7, and I think I have said the mask is toy number 8, just to make sure. So what you do, she has her own gimmick. What you do is you place these two holes on these two pegs, like this, and this is what it's supposed to look like. And what you do is that you turn this, and it opens like this. Apparently I already wrote in it, and you can pause the video and see what it says. And I also wrote it today. Here's what she looks like on the journal. It has herself on it, all of other ponies on the top, at the back, and Princess Twilight Sparkle's also on the back too. And I can name some of these characters if you like. Here's Pinkie Pie, Rarity, Rainbow Dash, Princess Celestia, Rumble, Soren, Pinkie Pie in her chicken costume, Princess Twilight Sparkle, Fluttershy, Applejack, Minuet, Zecora, and the pumpkin babies, the pie babies, whatever you like to call them. She also had her cutie mark right here. And here is the difference between each of the other discs. They were both in different actions, and the movie logos on each different side. And they have a different picture on the back. It says, download McPlay, scan your toy, unlock a game, which I have the app. Apparently I didn't show it yet on YouTube and see what games you have. Apparently I have unlocked everything for the game for My Little Pony, so I can't scan any more toys. As you noticed, I have Princess Skystar right here. If you haven't seen the video of her, please check it out. Then you can see this video. So that's it for today, guys. Hope you enjoyed the video. Like and subscribe to my YouTube channel. It'd be great if you did. So, see you in the next video. Bye!